My name is Tony Bell. I'm the Filmmaker Services Manager here at the International Documentary Association. The International Documentary Association essentially helps documentary filmmakers get their films done, whether it comes to fundraising, educating them about the documentary craft, or just educating the public with our screening series. What I do is I oversee what's called the Fiscal Sponsorship Department. Fiscal sponsorship is a way for filmmakers to fundraise under our charitable umbrella. Also, it makes filmmakers eligible for certain government grants, and also there are a lot of foundations out there, for example, like the Gates Foundation or Apple, who won't contribute to a filmmaker unless the money goes through a fiscal sponsor. We have 344 films in our fiscal sponsorship program right now that are actively fundraising, and about 25 international films. So without the fiscal sponsorship, those opportunities wouldn't be available for the filmmaker. We adopted Jotform about 6 or 7 years ago, really to deal with the issue of paperwork. We use Jotform for everything, for applications, for check requests, for balance update requests. We even use Jotform for our job applications, so people can go to our website, fill out the information in the form, upload a cover letter and a PDF, and we get it right away. And what I like most about Jotform is it just saves us time. Fiscal sponsorship involves a lot of quote-unquote paperwork. There are a lot of documents that need to be filled out. Some of the things that we ask for on the fiscal sponsorship information are obviously the name of the project director, the name of the filmmaker, their address, city, state, their country, breakdown of what their budget looks like, the total amount of their budget, what stage of production they're in. Jotform has certainly increased productivity. I mean, the fact that everything is electronic, the fact that we don't have to actually deal with paper and fax or even PDFs that are sent via email. It also helped us to grow the business because there's only so much you can grow as a fiscal sponsor if you're dealing with paper all the time, because dealing with paper takes time, dealing with email takes time. So Jotform really provided this one uniform place for all of that. We're the International Documentary Association here in Los Angeles, and we use Jotform.